store. Some meat. These are delicious. The best spicy peanuts I've ever had. Got 2. Coconut water, some tin limes for $1. I got some red, what's it called? Some of this, ruby red, oh shoot, can't think of the name. Put a little sugar on it, so good. Grapefruit. Onion. Asparagus didn't look the best today, but got it for the salmon that I'll be making. Got some more milk. I'm gonna try this with my coffees. Got these mini conchas, they look so good. Tortillas. This big bag of jasmine rice. $123 later. I think this is a lot. It'll last. And these pork chops, assorted pork chops, there's enough in here for 2 or 3 meals. And I shouldn't have gotten these, but couldn't resist. Love these. Okay, and just like the chicken, if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I separate meat for meals. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 6. So what I will do is I will put 3 in a baggie. So then I just separate them like that. And then these 3 I will put in another baggie. Just because I know I'm not going to use all of them. And if I do, I can take them all out at the same time and just let them all in thaw. But I don't like to freeze them all together just in case I don't use them and it goes to waste. But if you have a big family, then you can all bag them all together or just keep it in the packet. But here you have 2 meals. And as you can see here, I get these at the Dollar Tree, these baggies. And you can actually